In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Clickup. This integration is perfect for streamlining your workflow and keeping all your important files directly connected to your tasks so you can stay organized and productive. To begin, make sure you're logged into Clickup. Open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner and click it. If you're using Google to log in, simply click Sign In with Google. This option is fast, secure, and ensures a smoother integration later on. After that, select the Google account associated with the drive you want to connect. Choosing the correct account here is very important to avoid accessing the wrong files. Now that you're in Clickup, it's time to connect Google Drive. In the top left corner, click your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over the App section, and another menu will pop out. From this menu, click App Center. The App Center is Clickup's hub for integrations, giving you access to a variety of tools that enhance your workflow. In the App Center, locate Google Drive. Because it's a widely used integration, it's easy to find among the popular apps. Click on Google Drive to open the integration page. Here, you'll see a Connect button. Clicking it will start the integration process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to authorize Clickup to access your Google Drive. This involves allowing certain permissions, which is necessary to link your files and tasks seamlessly. Once the connection is authorized, your Google Drive is now fully integrated with Clickup. You can easily attach files from Drive directly to your tasks, ensuring that all your documents are organized and accessible from one place. This makes collaboration with your team more efficient and keeps your projects running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with Clickup. By taking this step, you're making it easier to manage your resources, stay productive, and keep your workflow seamless. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Clickup productivity tips. Happy organizing!